Hello everyone, it's Jules with DIY with Jules. Welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY is going to be revamping some tables that I was gifted. These beautiful tables were given to me by a wonderful woman here in Florida where I live. She gave me the coffee table and two end tables. It had just a little bit of rust on the inner part of the table, so I went and got some chrome spray paint and decided to chrome both the tables and the end tables. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some, of course you guys know I'm a bling girl, so I'm going to add the bling and I'm going to add some actual crystal metal chains to it. If you're wondering where I purchased this crystal bling wrap, I purchased it at Hobby Lobby in their material section. This type of bling goes on wedding dresses and things like that. So you have to be very, very careful. It is iron-on and the rubber on the back will fall apart on you if you're not careful when you're placing it on your projects. This beautiful chain I purchased from Amazon and I used E6000 to give it a permanent adhesion onto the metal. I placed the crystal chain on the upper perimeter of the table and also on the top two bars. On the bottom, I used my regular bling wrap. By the way, everything you see on this video, I will have on my Amazon page. I'll leave the link down below. Absolutely gorgeous. And now that the coffee table is done, let's go to the end tables. The crystal wrap has a plastic cover or a film over it so that it doesn't get any fingerprints or any damage to the actual crystals. Once you have it set in place, you pull the plastic off and it looks absolutely stunning. Guys, this was a quick and easy tutorial just to let you guys know that you can go from drab to glam and you can spruce up any old piece of furniture. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your family and friends. I hope you liked this little video and I'll see you very soon. Once again, thank you for coming to DIY with Jules Soto. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.